Hello everybody, today I'm going to be sharing another commission that I started recently, but it's only going to be a short video because from now on, most of my content is going to be on Patreon. There I will be posting all kinds of behind the scenes content like work in progresses, tutorials, Photoshop files. I'll basically be documenting my whole process and discussing art with like-minded people. From my traditional sketchbook, professional commissions, and all kinds of arty projects, I'm even going to be starting a mural soon. So if that sounds like something you're going to be interested in, then definitely check out my page. Whether you commit to a tier or simply have a look, your support is hugely appreciated. Each month I'm going to be analysing a new commission, and this month's commission is for LittleWarriorShields, a not-for-profit that provides foam play shields and helmets to sick kids. The main focus of LittleWarriorShields is to provide some distraction from whatever these sick kids are going through. I'm not sponsored by any means, but I'm a huge supporter of the great work that they're doing, so definitely check out their page, the link is in my description. Recently they've been working on some warrior miniature bundles to send to some of the older kids at Queensland's Children's Hospital in Australia. The bundles will include a painted mini, some terrain, a dice, a player's handbook, and this commission that I'm working on. They were lovely enough to send me some of their minis to use as references for this commission. They wanted me to feature the minis so that the artwork can be included in the bundle. The colours and the composition were completely up to me. I'm just going to be showing you guys a few snapshots of my process, but if you're looking to view the full time lapse, check out my Patreon. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to be posting on here less regularly to focus on my work on Patreon, so if you guys want to see a full commentary on how I finish this artwork, then definitely check out the link in the description. Until next time.